Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Adobe Acrobat, then click on the PDF which you want to sign. After that, you have to click on the pencil icon on the bottom of the screen, then click on the fill and sign option, and you can see the last one, the last icon is it's a pen, and click on that, and you have two options. The first one is create signature, and after that you have to sign here. All right, something like that. And you can see that you can draw, you can select an image, or you can take a picture. But for now, let's choose the draw option. Done. And tap anywhere to place signature. So we are at the bottom of the screen, we are here, and form signature or initials. I could not read the text. All right, and you can see that at the bottom of the page you can see that stupid signature that I draw. Okay, and after that there is the create initials. Click on that, and initials, sorry, after that click on the done, and here is the initial. You have to click on that page, click on that place where you want to place your signature or initials, and if you want to clear you have to click on the trash icon, and that's all. And if you want to change your signature or initials, you have to delete those one, and after that create your signature once more. So yeah, this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.